Hello everyone, what's popping, what's Gucci, what's good? My name is Eniola Ibaso of Ibasis Any and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I am going to be changing the color of my hair by myself. So I don't know what the outcome is going to be, but trust me, I want you to. It's something I'm just going to try for the first time in my life by myself. You know, when you're here, you get to DIY so many things. Okay, so I think I've watched several videos on YouTube, and I've asked from people also, and I still can't even get the information that I want correctly. However, I'll be trying a mixture of two different colors of dye, semi-permanent dye, okay? And I'll be dyeing my hair to a color I'm not even sure about. So you guys, journey with. I'm going to be using two different colors. I'm going to be mixing two different colors. I have this is cajun spice. Yeah, I have cajun spice, and I also have paprika. This color, mind you, I've been looking for this color like so bad, and I saw it on somebody's Twitter page. I can't remember, but it was really nice on that person, and I said I was going to use this color, but it was very difficult for me to get at that time. I wanted to use it, so I found a different, different thing on YouTube, and I saw that the person makes paprika, this one, and cajun spice. Guys, I don't know the name of the color because sometimes I'm colorblind. Yeah, so I don't know what it's going to turn out to be, but you guys should wish me luck. Honestly, wish me luck. I need all the luck in the world right now because I'm so scared. I don't know what the outcome is going to look like. I'm super scared. I'm doing this. I hope I don't mess up my head and everything. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what the outcome of this thing is going to be, kindly stay tuned to the very end of this video, okay? Alright guys, so these are the my tools for dyeing my hair, right? I'm going to be improvising mostly because I don't have the brush, or is it a comb? I think it's the brush they use. Also, I don't have a container. Trust me, this container was from a desert I got long time ago. So I kept the container. I didn't know it's going to be handy. So thankfully we have that. So I'm just going to be mixing my the dye. I'll be mixing because I have a short hair compared to that person. She has a very full hair, so she used the whole bottle of cajun spice and I think a little bit of paprika. However, I'll be using just I think half would do, or let's say more than half of cajun spice and a little bit of paprika would do for me because I don't have a full hair and I'm on low cost, as you can see. Yep, so this is just my tool for making this color change to my hair. So please guys, wish me luck one more time. I'm about to start the real deal. So naturally that I have hopefully evenly distributed this thing on my hair. I'm just going to, be putting on this thing and tie myself for 15 minutes. Allow it to sit inside, like really sit in the, the dye should sit in my hair for like 15 minutes. I'll be wearing this cap to make that really using this. So 15 minutes, right? The time starts now. Alright guys, so I have just washed my hair. Oof, not what I was expecting, but I think I kind of like the outcome. It's not too red. It looks nice. However, I don't know if I have if I was able to achieve the back properly. I'm just going to like apply cream to my hair, of course, to make it look shiny and fine, and I've just done a great job to my hair. Yeah. So this is all the DIY you have to start in, you know, how to dye your hair, how to make your hair. This is what you guys turned me into. They've turned me into a stylist. I cannot really stand my hair properly. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you know, thank you for supporting me so far. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and have a blessed time. Adios.